This is a default folder. Now, yes, I created a macro called export. Now I want to use this export to export a data set, either Excel sheet, one CSV file, and one text file. The same heart. I want to export as an Excel sheet, CSV file, and text file. So tell me how we can use this one now. I am writing a percentage of export. Open the parenthesis. I want to export SAS help.heart. I am writing a SAS help.heart, comma. Now we should give the value for the second one, and this is the value I want to give.
Okay.
Now I'm giving the value here. Path. First of all, I want to have it as a, say for example, heart txt. Now I'm writing heart txt. Then I should give the value for the third one. What is that? DBMS we should give for the text file.
Tab.
Tab. Now I'm giving the tab. Okay. Now this time I want to export the same data set. SAS.heart. This time I want to export as a heart.xls. In that scenario, what the DBMS we should write? XLS. Now this time I want to export as a CSV file. If you want to export as a CSV file, then what we should have dot CSV. And what the DBMS is going to be? CSV. Now if I select the 3 lines, now if I execute all the 3 lines, now on my desktop I am going to have, can you see what I have? I have a heart text file, heart Excel sheet, and we have a heart CSV file. Understand? I told you this is how we can create a macro, how we can develop the macro. Clear, everybody? I want to develop a macro for gplot. What is the basic syntax that you can write the proc gplot? We should write a proc gplot. Data is equal to the data set name, which is SAS_help.class. Say for example, then what we should write? We should write a plot statement. And I told you on the left axis we are going to have. Just 1 second. Now plot on the left.
Yes.
Plot on the left side, I want to have a vertical axis. So generally on the left side, I want to have a age variable into. On the horizontal axis, I want to have a weight, sex variable. I am writing the sex. Now into semicolon, then you should run statement. You should write the quit statement. So this is the basic base SAS program that we can write. And now I'm going to have a gplot like this one. Okay, but now what I want to do, I want to create a macro for this one so that I can use it for any program, any data set for any variables. Then how to create a macro for this one? How many parameters should require if you want to create a macro for this one?
2 parameters.
3 parameters, because one is data set, one is for vertical axis, another for is horizontal axis variable. So I require 3 parameters. Now how to write the program? Percentage macro, then macro name. I want to have it as a macro name called plot. Now I wanted the 3 parameters. One is for data set TS, and then I want to have a vertical axis VX, and then I want to have a horizontal axis which axis. Okay, this is important. And then you should have percentage meant here, and then again you should write a plot one more time, and then go to the program. Data is equal to what should I write now? Ampersand PS.
Ampersand D.
Instead of age, what should I write now? I should ampersand V-axis. Instead of sex, what should I write now? I should write ampersand H-axis. So this is how we should create a macro. Now I'm selecting this program and executing this one. Now I'm going to have a macro now, and the macro name is plot. I want to use that one. I'm writing, say for example, percentage plot. Open the parenthesis. I want to have it for the SAS help.cars. I'm writing SAS help.cars, comma. On vertical axis, I want to have, invoice. On horizontal axis, I want to have, say for example, milk. Now, right, sorry. Now, if I execute the program, now I'm going to have a, like this one. Understand this one? This is how we are going to get it. Now, so this is the one phase of the macro. Then what is the another use of macro? Now, I'm writing proc report. Data is equal to SAS help data class. Now I'm writing proc means data is equal to SAS help data class. Now I'm writing proc frequency data is equal to SAS help data class. And I'm writing proc univariate data is equal to SAS help data class. Now tell me, if I execute the program, what is going to happen? Any idea? What will happen if I execute the program?
We get the report at resume.
You'll get the report for SAS subnet class, and you get the proc means procedure for what? Again, proc means procedure for the SAS subnet class. Again, you'll get the proc means procedure for what?
SAS class.
Proc frequency procedure for SAS subnet class. Again, we are going to have proc frequency procedure for what? Proc frequency procedure for again, we are going to get for the univariate procedure. Now, what I want to do is, if I do the program, I will get the information report for everything. So say I'm selecting the program and executing the program. Okay. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry to say, I have some important work, and you guys want to listen in interview,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
but
Yes,
you
sir.
people should not talk anything. Okay, please be quiet and keep everything on mute. Okay,
Yes, sir.
please do not talk anything.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Company Accenture, payroll technical solutions, currency is 4.8, expected. Education B pharmacy 64%, Vignan Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, DAY2, intermediate, Sri Chaitanya, School, Shantiniketan High School, Udam Coaching. Now address వచ్చేసి పెద్దగూడెం విలేజ్ కూచంపల్లి మండలం యాదాద్రి భువనగిరి.
So you should be. Guys, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So you please mute your mics and please do not talk anything. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What is it? Good, good. How are you? Am I audible to you? Hello? Am I audible?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Now you are audible, sir.
Yes, yes, I can hear you. How are you today? Good, good. Thank you very much. So definitely, my name is Manikant Reddy. I have completed B Pharmacy in 2018. I have a total 2.9 years experience as a clinical SaaS programmer. I am working for Accenture Hyderabad. And I have a total 2 years experience in SGM. I have 9 months in Adams, cables and listings. So I have an experience in respiratory and endocrinology. So I got involved in both the cases. So when I was in Pfizer project, we have a reference code which has been macronized. We used that code to develop to map the data sets. But in a recent study, we started developing the code from the scratch. So in one of the studies, I started writing the code for ADSL from the scratch by using SDM datasets and SAP. We developed the code from the scratch, And even for the tables, for the safety tables also, we have started writing the code from the scratch. I can do the safety tables like demographic table and adverse events table, shift tables. I can write the code from the scratch. And in the SDM also, we developed the code from the scratch. I did for the DM domain from the scratch, and even for adverse events and concomitant medication also, I have written code from the scratch. Initially, got involved 2 weeks when I joined. I was in that oncology project. It was in an ulcerative cancer, but that time we have a reference code for the TU and TR. So for both TU and TR, I mapped the data, tumor identification, tumor results. So we are going to have test codes like non-target, target tumors. Then we have a diameter measurement, the size. Sure. According to SCD-MIC guidelines, the length of a character variable should not be more than 200 characters. So if you have more than 200 characters and less than 400, we should create common. So for example, in a commit domain, we are going to have coval and coval1. And if you have more than 400 and less than 600, we should create coval, coval1, coval2. Okay. Okay. Do you want to create the macro code? Is it base as code is enough? By using call scan function, we can do that one. I'm using call scan function to create a code, multiple variables based on the length. Sure.